Hey guys, Team Exalt here. My name is Kevin Abbott. We're going to do a quick video on our bearing puller that we have released. A couple of customers reached out to us, wanted to see a demonstration of how it works. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you guys how this thing works. All right guys, we'll do a quick demonstration. Here are the carbon fused with aluminum end handles. Both tips are replaceable in case of any form of damage. The threads are machined. There it says no thread all. This is one machined piece, extremely durable for high stress situations. Some companies Loctite their bearings in. Definitely recommend maybe a little bit of heat if you come across that, but nothing excessive. We have a dual port sensor board here. We'll go ahead and install the bearing on this one and show you how these three different inserts work. So on the dual port, we're going to use this medium sized one. It fits right in the center. The bearing on. You just thread it right in, tighten the bearing down securely. You have a clean install on a bearing. Now to remove it, anyone with the big sensor board base, this will be your primary use one. Go ahead and put this one on the front. And you're going to do the exact opposite now. Pretty self-explanatory once you learn how to use it. Bearings out. We'll go ahead and jump over to the Phoenix. So to install it, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to pull the bearing in this way. So you're going to use this collet here. And if you'd like, this insert is for maximizing the threads or the surface contact right there on the bearing. And if you see, this fits right over the base of the unit. It fits perfectly on the outer diameter of the bearing. And then for removal, we're going to go ahead and use this little cutout. It goes right over the sensor port. And just like that. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you got any questions, like always, reach out to us and we'll assist you in any way possible. Once again, these are the three inserts that come with your bearing tool. If you guys, once again, have any other questions, just reach out to us and we'll help you gladly. All right, guys, so I hope that video helped you out. If you guys got any questions, just reach out to us on our Facebook page or you can give us a call at the shop. Thank you guys once again for tuning in and checking out these videos. Appreciate it, and we'll see you guys at the track.